And this really kind of irks me that it's all molded into the chassis. Okay, so I grabbed the masking tape and I outlined everything that I'm going to want to keep silver. So now I use my Mr. Masking Saw. I'm just going to fill in where up to the tape line. All right, let's see how it works. That's not bad at all. So I'd say that Mr. Masking Saw saves a lot of time and a lot of taping and works pretty good. I used lacquer paint to seal for the black paint, and the silver was lacquer as well. So no compatibility problems at all. So yeah, I think this works pretty good. So here's the finished chassis of the K car. I'm almost finished with the car, but the chassis is finished. So yeah, just those little silver pieces adds a little bit of interest to the bottom of the car. It's not just all black. I'm liking it. I'll tell you guys more about this. The body is painted in GX Ice Silver from Mr. Hobby with a 2K clear coat over gray primer. The interior is in that NATO black, so it's sort of really a dark gray, not really black. Just added a couple little white dots, a couple little silver dots here and there to give it a little bit of interest. The seats are Tamiya blue. Yeah, it's just a nice little box stock project. Almost finished with it. I still have to put a wing on it and some mirrors and glue the glass on, put on windshield wipers. But yeah, neat little car. Thanks for watching, guys. Next week, flying out to Japan. So it'll be a couple weeks before you see another video from me. But when I get back, there's going to be a ton of new videos. Stay tuned. Thank you everyone for watching. I really appreciate all of your support, and we'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye. You still here? Go ahead and watch the next video. Hit the subscribe button.